Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 16th of December, 2024. In today's top renewable energy news, energy giant Equinor has paused its plan to build an offshore wind farm off the coast of Morro Bay following Donald Trump's victory in the presidential election in the USA. The Norwegian-based corporation plans to continue fulfilling its local lease conditions while suspending some operations for the next 2 to 3 years, according to communications from company representatives to Central Coast fishermen. The Department of Energy in the Philippines is finalizing a policy to lower the performance bond for offshore wind projects to 5%. This reduces the cost to project developers from the usual 20% required in green energy auctions for other renewable energy technologies. This revised performance bond would be part of the terms of reference for the 5th green energy auction for offshore wind projects, set for the third quarter of next year. In the USA, the Vineyard Wind offshore wind farm resumed installation of wind turbine blades on Saturday, in the wake of a turbine blade failure in July. The decision to continue working on the project was made following the October announcement that approval was granted to proceed once stringent safety and operational requirements were met. U.S. developer of renewable energy projects and transmission infrastructure, Pattern Energy Group said on Monday it had secured an equity investment from a consortium led by a PG Asset Management and Australian Retirement Trust. The consortium will acquire the equity stake in Pattern Energy held by Riverstone Holdings LLC, the company said in a statement. Riverstone, which co-founded Pattern Energy in 2009, will be exiting its investment in the company. Learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.